Hi guys, it's BB. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that all of you are having a lovely day. Alright, so I am here to show y'all the reveal and my project share for Jovi's design team. She recently started creating a lot of printables, digitals, so if that's something that interests you, I would suggest that y'all head on over to Jovi's channel and check her out. She does all kinds of project shares, junk journals, so if that's something that interests you, as well as she supports other channels too. I'm sorry if I'm all tongue-tied. I'm just really excited to show you guys my beautiful journal that I created using her digital. And I selected the Cottage core one, so if you too would like to create with this digital, we'll have it linked down below and you guys can check it out for yourselves. I will also put all the participants that are also supporting Jovi and creating beautiful projects, so you guys can check them out for yourselves and get some creative inspo. I will list them all here for y'all. I hope y'all enjoy this little flip through here that I will be showing you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and measure it out so y'all have an idea of how tall and how wide it is. All right, I'm back, sorry about that. Let's do it in inches. Sorry, here we go. So 5 1/4 by 7 1/4. And I used a cereal box for this, or cracker box, I don't remember now. Probably some Scooby-Doo snacks, I think. And I went ahead and I used one of her digitals for the cover here, and you can see that I went ahead and added some cute mushrooms, and then I put strawberry here because there will be a little bit of strawberries in there as well, since it's more like garden-esque and kind of whimsical, you know. So here's some more mushrooms all over because I love them. I think that's so pretty. I used some thrifted fabric here. And then I created a cute little tassel with some of the beads that I thrifted. Some of them were gifted from Cornflower Crafts, Kara and Pam Vanny. And then look at these cute buttons too that Kara shared with me over from Paper Confessions. We got some beautiful fabrics here as well. So super cute, I love it. Look at this blingy button. And we have some vintage lace here. Go ahead and get into it and I'll show you guys the inside of it. Oh, look how cute it is on its mouth. I think it's precious. And here's the back. 2 signatures, by the way. So let's go ahead and show you guys. So this here is a pocket, another one of Jovi's printables. They're all over this journal and I think they're absolutely gorgeous. If I didn't already say thank you, Jovi, thank you so much for having taken me on. I've got some ephemera there for you guys, and this will be listed up on my Poshmark if y'all would like to get more details on it, and or if you would like to purchase it for yourself. Let me see if I can get it in there. There we go. I'm not left-handed, that's why. And then here we have some more vintage fabric on the spine. It's so cute, beautiful doily. Some more of Jovi's printables. Aren't they so cute? They're making me hungry. I now want some strawberry cake. And if we flip over to this side, we have a little library pocket. I also tucked in some more goodies there. This too up here, I believe, is a pocket. Yep. So you can put some goodies there as well. I don't know if I showed y'all this. And I did a cute little cluster or collage, whatever you want to call it, with this sweet little teapot. And some of this fabric here that you see that's got gold on it is from Dolly over at the Paper Plumeria. I hope that you are well, Dolly. I created this sweet little charm here with a paper clip. I put some more cuties here. We got a sticker butterfly, and or you could fussy cut it out and place it somewhere. A cute little label. And then some strawberries here. This comes from Brittany Linger Blinger, so thank you. I love the envelope. I think it's precious, so I went ahead and I put that there. And then a large journaling card, also from Brittany, so thank you, Brittany. And if we flip over here, oops, did I show you guys that page? It's just music page, vintage music page. And then here I have this cute little tag that came from my daddy, from his work. I love the sunflowers too. I think it adds a precious look to it. And then this here is also a pocket, and I stitched all around so that you'll see a lot of stitching. And this is some cute stationery with some birds on there that I'm holding backwards. So sorry. And then I did a little cluster again with some more of the printables. I fussy cut them out and then I placed them here. And if we flip over to this side, we got another beautiful printable from Jovi. And then I did a little cluster here again. I just think these clusters are so cute. And then I put some more ephemera there so you guys can just have a little starter pack. And then some more ephemera from, I believe, Temu. And then here I put this cute little ruffle in blue, and I just think it pops so beautifully with these mushrooms here. And I thought this bead matched perfectly. It in fact does look like a cute little mushroom. I think it's so precious. And then if we flip over to the side, I used some of the lace that Jovi had sent to me in some happy mail in one of our swaps. That was hosted by Paper Confessions as well. And here you can see somebody knitting in the back. Very faint, but it's very cute. We got some more snails here in a basket, more yarns. I think it's so cute. And then here, since it has strawberries throughout the journal as well, Brittany gave me this strawberry shortcake math card, and so I put that there. Sorry about that, you guys. I don't know when this cut off, so if I didn't already show y'all, I said I created a little envelope here, wax seal, a cluster. This lady wandering into the, I guess the forest or her garden to collect some goodies. And then you can see back here is a beautiful house. Jovi picked out wonderful colors, so vivid, so bright. I adore it. And then if the camera cut off, I want to show you guys that there's a little coloring page here from a flow book. Or you could journal in there. You could use it for whatever you'd like. And then here I have Life is a Garden. It was in this pocket here. It says Life is a Garden, and this was just a coincidence. I ended up putting this in the journal, and then it kind of just went with garden, and then I realized that I had put the two together, so I thought that was kind of neat. And then here you have some more cuties in the back. I put a little bottle. It reminded me of what you would see like a honeybee put in. See a little happy snail there. And then these are the goodies that are inside of that little pocket. I love it. I think it's so adorable. And if we move right along, we have some more journaling cards here for you to do your journaling on, a massive one. And then I did a little DIY tag here with a tab from my beautiful friend Dale, Not Too Shabby Chic. Some more of Jovi's printables here. And then you can journal on the back there. I love this tag. I think it's so pretty. It goes with the colors very nicely. And then here I did a little rouging of some trim, and you can see a little watering can. I think there was carrots in here somewhere too, butterflies. It's very cute. A turnip. I love it. I love that trim. Some more places for you to journal on. And then here I have placed some more goodies and a little mushroom peel off vellum sticker. I did this with a flower press that my daddy gifted me. So I did a little collaging there. This comes from a rug that my mother-in-law gave me. A journaling card, a little tearaway I think it's called. And then here I DIY'd this one with the little tab there and some more stationery. Very pretty. I'm gonna try to put this back as best as I can. I'll go back and fix it. And then if we flip over here, we have some more cuties. This is from an Amazon kit. And then some cute mushrooms, some more. And then here is a crocheting needle with a beautiful border, corner border with the flowers. I love flowers. More of those beautiful mushrooms, wonderful journaling space. And then here, I used some more of Jovi's printables to make this cute little ticket. You can tear them off and then place them wherever you find fit. Journaling card. And then this says Live, Laugh, Love. So massive journaling card. And I will tuck that back the way I had it as best I can. And it says great things take time. Beautiful bird with some more of those happy mushrooms. Another little charm that I created with those mushroom looking beads. And if we flip over here, I did a little tuck spot, and then I put a journaling card, 2 journaling cards in there. tuck in nicely just like that. Some more of Jovi's printables. You can probably spot them because they're so precious. I love it. And then you can slightly see some stitching in the background there. And then some fun little fabric here that I rouged up. Some more of the music paper, journaling spaces, more of Jovi's printables. I didn't get to use all of them. There was so much to choose from, and they're all gorgeous, Jovi. You did a wonderful job. We have a sweet doily here and plenty of space here just so that it can lay flat. This journal will lay flat. Let me see if I can move the tassel. And look how pretty that is. Cute. I love that. We have a little stumped chair here. I love it. It's like someone invites you over for some tea and strawberries, maybe some strawberry cake. And then I stuffed some more cuties in this side pocket. A little jar here, some corn, a little journaling card again. And this trim came from MJ over at My Paper Journey, or Applique, I'm sorry. Some more of those buttons. And then I recycled one of those luau flowers there. Look, isn't that cute? I love her printables. I just had so much fun creating with her digitals. And then here's these fun little birds. I thought the colors went really, really good together. And then I fussy cut out this image here from her digitals again. And I love it. It makes you feel so welcomed into that little cottage mushroom house. And then here you can see that I scalloped the edge with a punch. And then on this side, I did a little cluster on this lace trim. And you can see a little teacup there, some strawberry, and then that has a little ticket on there. And then I did a little booklet with some of the booklets that Brittany had also sent me in some Happy Mail. And I stitched around the printable here. And I made a little pocket for a tag. So you could take this with you on the go just in case you can't take your whole entire journal. You could probably glue that, make that into a pocket too. Some tea-dyed paper, some writing spaces. It's so cute. Another little pocket. I went a little crooked there, but it's okay. That's what I like about junk journals, that you can add so much character to them. A cute little tag, another one of Jovi's printables here. Oh, did I show y'all the back of this one? I did not. There we go. This is also one of Jovi's printables. I'm sure you could make those bigger. I couldn't figure it out though. More book page, more journaling spaces. So cute. Lots and lots of pages for you to pick from, for you to journal on. And so I will wrap that up. And then here I put some more fun stuff. You could probably use that for collaging. And this flips up just like that. And then moving right along, this is a little flip out. You can adhere something to that. And then here, another sweet little sunflower doily. I think sunflowers are so cute. This is some vintage wrapping paper. And then here's some more vintage ledger. I did another little cluster with a mushroom. The other side of the doily. And then some more yellow pages. I think they're so cute. Here is a belly band, another fun cluster with a button from Pam Van E. And strawberries in the back. Very adorbs. Another journaling card. And then I DIY'd this using book pages. And I thought the colors looked really cute. You can also do some journaling on the back. Moving right along, we have another charm here. Little mushroom ones that I call them. They're not mushrooms, but they look it. So here we have some more goodies. Some more DIY tickets that I made. Fun, fun. And then here we have a little journaling spot. And then a little fun tag. Oh, and then here we have a fun little envelope. I'd use some more of Jovi's printables there. And you could stuff some goodies in there as well, and or attach it to a page. Head it this way. All right, moving right along, some more journaling spaces here. And then more journaling. We have this fun lace pocket here. I love this blue. I think it goes really nicely. And then some more journaling goodies for you. Some fun ephemera. And another one of Jovi's printables towards the back here. And then I think these are for beekeeping. So adorable. We have our garden here. Journaling spaces, more of Jovi's printables. And then here I put my maker's stamp down below. It's very faint, but it's there. And or you could write your name here as well. I think it is so cute. But that wraps it up for me, you guys. I hope that y'all enjoyed it. And that is my creations that I did. Once again, I want to say thank you to Jovi for letting me in on the team. I'm having so much fun creating with her digitals. I can't wait to see what I create next and what everybody else created using her wonderful digitals. That wraps it up for me, you guys. Y'all have a lovely rest of y'all's day. Y'all please take care. Sending y'all my love, and